about this. See, it's all about the duration is about 25 days starting from today. So the 25 days, it counts to 12 weeks, and it's like kind of like 4 hours per day and not completely 4 hours. And based, since this is the first day, it made it we have already consumed an hour of it, and it may go for another 1 hour because there's a topic pending for today. And hopefully it will be 3 to 4 hours based upon the queries or based upon the session it is taken. And overall, if it's a 25 days, the 100 hours will be covered for this, and it counts to 100 days of the complete program. So from our side, the training will be provided only on 25 days, and rest of the days you guys can there will be some kind of like modules will be given to you. You have to study that, and then on your free time, because it's a week on week, we are having it every weekend. So you guys can learn by yourself, and then the next weekend when we are coming back, you guys can get yourself trained on that, so that it will be easy for you to take it the next one. So this is a one, and it is completely provided free of cost. And the sponsors, that is the Demand Blue and then the 360 company. So both of us are involving our employees time here to give you training, which if you are going outside, it is almost, as Anand said initially, it is completely cost effective. And we are just giving it for the benefit of everyone, and it is completely free. And kindly be aware that whatever the training is happening here, we are completely recording it, and then we are putting it in the link of this YouTube channel as well. So the same Salesforce User Group YouTube links as well. So all those links will be pasted in this chat. You guys can take it up and then take it up further. Okay, and who are the target audiences here? Any freshers who have just basic knowledge, coding knowledge. Even if you don't know the coding knowledge, and if you're willing to learn it, no worries. You guys can just learn what is basics all about. And if you're you just have you need to have the aptitude and the attitude skills. So both if you're having, then you are good to learn about Salesforce. And who have already been in the Salesforce journey, and if they are willing to expose their skills up to make up to the Salesforce developer or admin. So this training program will be helpful for you. Okay, so these are all the topics which we'll be covering in the 100 days. That is a overview about Salesforce, which Jerry has provided now. And next we'll be covering the CRM basics. So what is all about CRM for people who are already working in Salesforce? You will be knowing about what is this all about. But due to the larger audience who are some freshers who are from non-technical background, so you'll be giving what is all about the CRM, and then the sales and service cloud. So those are all specific to Salesforce things. So, and then the Salesforce admin, what are all the basic setups and configuration, and then the Apex. So this is in detail for the developers, and then integration, REST API, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Lightning, Aura, LWC, and then finally the Employer Connect. And we will be guiding you on when you're getting specialized in all these things. There is a job opportunity, and you guys get a chance to, you guys can connect, and then you guys can improve yourself. And this program is just giving you the training, and we are not giving the job opportunity. We are guiding you on how to get yourself in your career. And please be aware that there is a reward. You'll be awarded also. That is a top 5 people will be given a voucher of 400 worth dollar voucher will be providing. And for that, like, you guys have to be attentive on all the sessions. There will be queries posted to you, and there will be a task which is assigned to you, and you guys have to come up with a task, and then provide in the next day. You'll have to, I mean, in the next week you'll be given you'll have to provide your presentation. And at the end of the 100 days also, you'll be given a task. And once you complete all those tasks, and there will be a voting session which will be considered, and whose task is best will be taken there, and then you will be receiving a voucher for that. So be attentive, and then you guys have to upskill yourself. And with the certification also, you guys can get yourself certified, and it is all benefited for it. You will be benefited out of it. Okay, so these are all the days which are planned for now. That is, today we'll be covering the CRM overview, and other two topics we have covered, that is about Salesforce and then about the training. And CRM is left for today. And then these are all the other days which are planned. That is the 6th, and then the 12th, 13th, and 19th, 20th. So all those things. So currently, for first 6 days we have enabled the link, and you guys have to register for each day, because since it's a separate training which is considered, you'll have to register for each and every day. Hopefully you guys have registered today, that's why you are here. So the today's day, that is the fifth day registration you guys have done, and there are links open for 6 days as well, so you guys can register in that and then kindly join that. And please be aware that the vouchers will be provided based upon your performance and based upon the task which you are providing and your attendance. So all these three are must. And above all those things, the first point which I said, all your names should be matching, because just to avoid the fake things that you guys have to I mean, you don't have to get you cannot give the voucher to someone else. So only if you are logging in, you will be having the access to get the voucher, and only you will be able to use that voucher for you. So this is all about it. And yes, it's a separate logins, you'll have to, I mean, separate links will be there, so you guys have to register for each and every link. As of now, 6 days are enabled, and going forward we'll be enabling it, and we'll be providing you the links for that. Okay. So before we move on to the next one, I'll just go with the QA session, since a lot of QAs has had come here. We'll just address a few now before we move on to the next session. Okay. Do we need to join 100 days session in the same link, or how exactly? I guess that is what I had described now. Yes, there is a separate link for each and every day. You guys have to register for each day and then do it. Okay, and Krish has asked, what is package different from admin and developer in Salesforce? Actually, I'm not clear on your query. Anand or Melo, if you guys are aware of this query, you guys can respond to. What is package different from admin and developer? Giving you a brief on how to join this training, and then yes, Melo, over to you. Melo is from Demand Blue. He's basically a business analyst, but then he also has wide experience on technical. He's technically very strong. So with this interest level, he's into BA now. He's also certified. He's an application architect certified. Melo, over to you.
Thank you, Annapurna. Hello, everyone. This is Melo, and I work for Demandgo, and I am certified application architect. So today I will be taking you, I will be telling you how to join this 100 days or how to enroll for this 100 days learning program. Okay. So Annapurna, if you don't, can I share your screen?
Raise your voice, sir.
Okay. Annapurna, can you hear me clearly?
Yeah, it is very clear. You can share your screen if you have, or if you want me to share, I can do.
I will share my screen.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
so So today, I want all of you guys to register for a few things. Okay, first we will be having a Google form. We are going to register that, and again, then we'll following up with that. We will be registering in the community event. Okay, first you have to open this link, which will be provided in the chat. Just click this link, and it will take you to a Google form. So since I already clicked that link and I have already opened this link, it will be like this. Okay. So this is how that link look like. So can everyone click that link and follow with me? So along with you, we all together can register. And just once you are done with it, just let me know in chat that whether you have opened that link. Okay, and it's good if you are already done. So this is a demo account. So let me for other people who has already not done, let me show it. I'm going to give my email address over here in the Google form, and I'm going to click next. Okay. So you're going to give your first name, and followed by last name. Okay, and the email address. Here, if you have WebSSR account, make sure that you're giving your WebSSR account and your phone number. And if you have any queries or questions or comments, anything related, you can post it here so that we will respond to you based on our questions. So once you provide all these details, you can click next, and make sure that you paste your Trailhead ID here. Okay, this is the main important part. So for some of you guys are new.
Melo,
Yeah.
one thing, just I think audio is not clear. So just you can increase your volume or come near to the mic.
Okay. Is it audible now?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Is
sir.
it actually I'm able to hear clearly what Melo speaks?
Okay. So maybe I will come a little bit closer to my mic. So hope
Okay.
everyone can hear well. So
Okay,
yeah.
guys, for others also, probably if you guys are not in the hands-free or headset, you guys can try with it because I'm able to hear clearly what Melo says. You
No,
guys
ma'am.
can try with it too. Yeah.
It's audible, ma'am. Clearly
Okay.
audible.
Okay, so here you need to add your Trailhead ID. So in order to add your Trailhead ID, you should first have a Trailhead account. Okay, so this is the very important thing here because this is the place where we are going to learn everything. Okay, so like Jerry mentioned, we need to sign up for this. If you don't have one, since I already have one, I'm going to log in. So if you guys don't have one, make sure that you log in. I mean, make sure that you sign up for that. Okay, since I logged in right now, so I have to take my Trailhead ID. Okay, how I should take my Trailhead ID? Just go on top right corner, click my profile. Okay, click this profile, and if you click here, see this is your Trailhead ID, and there is a copy button over there. Just click that copy button and come right back here and just paste it. This is your Trailhead ID. Okay, so once you done with the done pasting your Trailhead ID, you can there are series of questions that was mentioned here. Okay, so total number of Trailhead batches that you have completed. So since this is a demo account, I do not have any batches completed. Zero, zero. So if you have already completed certain batches, make sure you have provide your correct numbers. Else make it zero. So mine is zero. Number of trails zero, number of super batches zero. And if you own certifications, based on your certifications, you can mention, okay, this much of certification that I have done in Salesforce. So in my case it is 5. Hang on, next. Yep. So we can also join our group, okay, using these links. Okay, so make sure you use these links to join our community, our group, so that you can be up to date and you can ask all your queries there, so that we will be always there to help you out. Okay, so after that, this is the final question. How do you hear about this event? So based on the survey, whether it's through a friend or social media or Telegram or Salesforce event, so based on that, you select any option according to your preference and you have to submit. Okay. So once you have submitted it, it will be reaching out to Anand. Anand will be proceeding from there. Okay.
The one more thing is we are capturing this event to monitor yourself. In this 100 day, how many of you are doing things for monitoring that purpose only. We are not going to share with anybody else. Okay, so your data is safety. That's what I am mentioning.
Yes. If you look at here, your personal information won't be shared to anybody, and this is just for monitoring purpose. Okay, so once you're done registering through Google form, okay, then you have to click the next link, which which is right here. Okay, this is the community link. So once you click this community link, it will again prompt you for login. You have to log in to your top trailblazer.com. Here also you should have an account. You should sign up for an account for top trailblazer.com. So here I already have one, so I'm signing up. Okay, so once you click that link, it will, and once you have logged in, it will take you to this page. So in this page you have like 4 tabs: home, communities, badges, and events. So here make sure that you are going to community. Okay, in that select the first community, which is Salesforce Users Group Chennai. and Salesforce Women IT Tech Kolkata. This is the group that we are going to enroll today. I mean, this is the group which has the event, which is conducting the event. Okay, so I'm going to select this group, and once I select that group, okay, there is another two subtypes over here: leaderboard, events, and admin. In this leaderboard, you can see who are the people who is leading. Okay, who are the top performers based on their scores. Okay, and based on the modules, based on the batches. So before that, we need to join this event. So if you click this event tab, this is where that event is posted. Okay, this is our event, 100 days learning. Okay, so if you click that event, so you can see already three people has already joined, and since the event started today, no one has finished any badges or any super badges or any points. So from today, it will be activated. Okay, till the end of the 100 day. Okay, from today, all your Salesforce the trailer completions will be captured over here. Okay, so to join this one, you have to just click the event and select the 100 days learning. Okay, and go down. Once you scroll down, you see there is a button called join event. Click that button. It will take you to this page. So this is very important page. If you look at here, it looks like an empty page. Okay, so here there is something called, there is hyperlink called add user. Click that user. Okay, if you click that, it will enable you to provide your trailblazer ID. Okay, so the same thing which we copied from here in the Trailhead account. So this is your trailblazer ID. So you're going to paste it over here. You don't have to paste all your data, because since it is already predefined over here, till this ID slash you can remove from your profile. Okay, just you have to give the name, trailblazer account name. Okay, so based on this, and if you click add, you will be added in the event. Just bear with me. Looks like I'm having slow internet connectivity. Okay, so now I got this option whether to join this event or not. So here the action is join. So yes, I want to enroll for this event. So I click join. Now that I have successfully joined this event, if I go back to the event, you can see these much of people joined. Okay, very good. You guys are following. So these are all the people that joined currently, and we have joined. Okay, here I have joined. So I'm expecting more people. All of the folks who are in the call right now should join. Okay, good.
To interrupt Melo, I'm trying to add my username, but it is throwing an error.
What error you are encountering?
1 minute. User ID is invalid and there is something wrong with the con ID.
Did you take the ID from the trailhead from here? Go to.
Yeah, I copied my Trailblazer ID and I pasted it in this ad. There is one link which is in that page, like add something. So I by clicking that I got this page. By even that, so it is throwing an error. I'm not getting this
Did you
point.
remove all this trailblazer.me slash ID slash? You have to remove just this name, demo account 15, and that means for you
Okay.
it will be different. Just add that name alone and try.
Mhm. Okay, sure. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, so once you have added, right? Once you are enrolled for this event, okay, you can see your name over here. So in my case, my name is demo account here. So I'm going to click my name. Okay, this is a very important class. Make sure that you are being attentive. because if you miss this, your batches or the super batches or your points will not be updated. That is very important. Okay. So once I click my name, okay, there is something called admin tab. Okay, just click that admin tab. Okay, it will take you to this page. This is very important, guys. Please give you to this. Okay, and if you scroll down, there is something called push badges to TT. Initially everything was automatic, okay, using page scraping. It was automatically updated to top trail basis, but unfortunately Salesforce stopped doing the automating task. So we need to manually push all our batches, all our points, or all over the updated data to top rail bases. So instead of doing that, what we should do is just select this, just click this push badges to TT hyperlink and drag it to your bookmark session. Okay, this is very important. Just click and drag it and keep it in your bookmark session of your browser. Once you have done with that, okay, go to your Trailhead, this page. This is your account page. This is the main page. Okay, this is the profile page. Go to your Trailhead profile page. Okay, you should be in this page. Okay, so once you reach this page, you have to just click this bookmark. Yes, once you click this bookmark, it will load like this and it will say badges successfully pushed. That means once you see this message, if you come here in the communities and if you see your batches or your status, it will be updated. If you didn't do this, it will not be updated. So make sure that end of every day, every learning, end of completing every batches, make sure you push this. Okay, you do this. All you have to do is come to your Trailblazer profile page and just click this bookmark. Okay, so that your batches will be updated here on timely basis. It's not automatic. Every time you have to do it manually. This is one small problem that we have right now. So I hope everyone got the point.
So based on this dropper only, we will be choosing the toppers. Okay. So who and all is in the topper leaderboard, they will be considered, and we'll be looking into what is the points they have done, what is the super batch they have completed, how many certificates that they did. Everything will be capturing from here only. This is the point we are monitoring your daily task. Since 100 days, no, we can't monitor each and every one. So this is the way we will be going to monitor your performance and your what are the batches you have started. Here we are having the start date from today to May 14th. This event will be there. So what are the things you are learning from today, that will be only considered over here. What are the batches you have completed before, that won't be considered. For capturing that only, we have got that Google sheet that will be covered the batches what we have completed yearly. So here from the date, start date to end date only, here that points will be captured here. We won't be consider your previous points, previous certification is not considered here. We want you to be learning for this 100 days. Okay, we are having another batch, another. Yeah, proceed.
Thank you.
Hello.
Sir, sorry to interrupt. I tried putting my Trailblazer ID alone to join the and I clicked on add user, but still I'm getting the same error, invalid user ID.
Yeah,
Ah,
okay.
Same
We'll be
here also,
having
sir.
time at later this session. We are having, we'll be having Melo will be there. So personally, you can have a screen session and he can sort it out. Okay, since the 200
Sure,
and
sure.
waiting here, we can't spend lots of time. No? So considering others' timing also, we will be.
Yes, guys, I'll just add on to Anand's point. See, these are all some basics. If it's not feasible to you, try another way, because that is how we have to explore ourselves instead of always depending on someone. Try to explore yourself. What is the issue? Try to learn what is the issue. That is where your skills are getting learned. So try to explore that, because it was clearly explained with the video sharing. So go through it and you can compare with what you have done and what he has done. So there could be something which you have missed out. That is where we are learning ourselves. So still, if you're not able to figure it out, then fine, you can seek for the help of others. So try to explore that, and then you can get on to us like what is missing. Okay. Is Melo, is that fine? Is that over, or anything else pending from you, Melo, to
One more
present?
thing. Yeah. So look, this is the screen which I am currently in a different event. So this is how it will be displayed. For example, this Daniel Makabe, he is the leading for this event. He is the person on the first place with 41,300 points. Like this only, the leaderboard will be displayed. You can view the leaderboard as well. And when was the last batch, and what was the last batch he has done, and how bad, like 11 hours back he did the batch. This particular person did the batch 5 hours back. Likewise, this is how your scores and your positions will be displayed in the trail basis. Okay. So next thing is that see, the rules, right? The terms and conditions for this 100 days event. Okay, since everything is explained already, I just want to reiterate that. Okay, make sure that everyone participate this event, and it's 85% of attendance is mandatory. Okay, so you should join every Saturdays and Sundays, and you have to start completing every task which is provided by the trainer, and make sure you learn it with good hearted. Okay, make sure that you are learning with full effort, so that definitely you will get the results. Okay. So the next thing is that there will be an added advantage. Okay. So if you are completing certifications, or if you are completing super batches, then it will be added more weightage, and okay, your profile will be more valuable. Okay. So make sure that you complete certifications. In meanwhile, also you complete super batches. Like Jerry said, super batches are very important, so that you will learn the entire functionality for uh, certain technical things. Okay, so make sure that you complete the super batches. And so since I shown the points are based on the batches, super batches, certifications. Okay, but make sure it is only during the event period from today until the end of the 100 days. So we will announce a winner after 100 days. Okay. And also we have to make sure that, like Anapurni said, we are going to see, it's just a training program. We are not guaranteeing any job offer, but we will help you out at the max, that to we will help you to learn. Okay, we're always there. Okay. And as you already know, top 20 members will be eligible for Employer Connect, and top 5 members will be getting the $400 vouchers. Okay. And we have a Telegram group available, and this is the Telegram group link which will be provided in the chat. So you do join this Telegram group, so that you can ask all your queries and questions. We will help you. We have volunteers in the Telegram group. We'll be helping you out at the best. Okay, so we got your back. So you can feel free, and you can start learning Salesforce. Doesn't matter whichever domain you are in, you just give your best, and definitely good things will come for you. Okay.
Hi Melo, Ashu's this side. Can I borrow a few minutes of yours?
Sure.
Sure. So actually, the thing is, like while I'm just registering for the for this, for this event actually. So like I'm already a trailblazer, and around I have 46 bases around. So do I need to create another account for? I mean, do I need to create a fresh account for this?
No, you don't have to create a fresh account. You can use the same account, but the important thing is that the existing batches will not be considered for this event.
Okay.
Only the batches which you are starting to complete, which you are going to do it from today, that
Okay.
will be considered for
So
this.
that will automatically counted in,
Yes,
right?
but it will not be automatic count. You have to click that push TT button, which I showed you there, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Sir,
yeah.
could you please show it again,
Yeah,
sir?
Melo, could you
Pushing.
please show that again for a larger audience again?
Definitely,
Guys,
yeah.
you guys can
Yes.
post your queries, and kindly avoid speaking yourself, because it will consume everybody's time. Post your queries in the group chat. We will address it one by one.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
So make sure that you are into this demo account, or your Trailblazer profile page. This is Trailblazer profile page. Okay. So how to get into Trailblazer profile page? Go to Trailblazer, click the top, click your name on the Trailblazer on top right, and click profile. Okay. This is how you navigate to the profile page. So it will take you to the profile page. Once you enter this profile page, because this is very mandatory, it will work only in this page. Okay. From this page only you can push your batches. So once you have reached this page, you have to click this push batches to TT, which I have dragged and dropped from that event. Okay. So once you click this one, it will be checking your batches, and okay, and it will be saying a success message. Hey, the batch successfully pushed to your trail lesson form. Yeah, this is how you do it. So if you still have any questions at the end of this session, we have a Q&A arranged, and I will be there to help you out. Do let me know if you have more questions. Okay.
Yeah. Thank
So
you,
that is,
Melo.
yeah, that is from me, Napani. It's over to you. Thank you.
Yeah, sure. You can stop screen sharing. Yeah, there are a few queries which we will take few for now before we move on to the next session of CRM. What is CRM about? Okay, from Mukesh, is a certificate provided course? No, we are not providing a certification, whereas we'll be providing the voucher for you, and the voucher will be provided as Melo explained only for the toppers, and so you'll have to top yourself on that leaderboard, and not only that, so that is just, there is a fact, there are many factors which is considered, and whoever is topping that, and then your attendance should be 85% and above as mentioned, and all those categories, and there at last, at the end of the session of the 100 days, there will be a task assigned to you, and you'll have to come up and then provide your skills, and then there'll be a scenarios which will be given to you. You'll have to do the coding for that and then bring it to us, and then show us your what you have done for that. So all these three will be validated, and with that validation we'll be providing the voucher for you. For that, with that voucher you can go ahead and do your certification, and all these factors should be considered.
Yeah,
Okay,
Annapurna, I
hope you
just
are
want to
answered,
mention
Mukesh.
one more thing here to the audience, Annapurna. So I missed to tell about this trail mixes that we have created. It's for the newcomers' convenience. So if you click this link, we have a certain set of trail mixes scheduled. Okay, for your convenience. For example, if you click that link, it will be displayed. It will be taking you to the Trailhead page, and there you will be having all the related trail mixes. It's not mandated that you need to finish all this, but you can finish any modules in the trailhead. But this is where you build your career. Okay, if you follow this one, okay, like it's from the admin point. It's from the, like, from the Salesforce admin, then followed by Salesforce development, then followed by projects. Okay, so it's like a step-by-step modules that we have provided for you. So do for all freshers as well as for all the new people. So make sure that you follow this trail mix. So it will be easy for you to navigate, and you should complete all the course, and you can learn Salesforce in a better efficient manner. Thank you.
Yeah, the purpose of having this style mix is in order, if a new person is there, they will be confused to what to learn. So in order to simplify them, we put it in one single tile mix, so that they don't want to search individually. They can go here and they can